Hey all, and welcome back. Today I will be fitting Bluetooth into this ride-on car. Now this ride-on car comes just with a bog standard kid stereo one, this little Mercedes AMG GTR from RiiRoo, and it's got an auxiliary input. So what I do have is this wonderful Bluetooth auxiliary adapter from RiiRoo. So we're just going to fit it up really simply. It takes minutes. And your child can enjoy Bluetooth music in their kid's ride-on car. So you're not limited to what just comes on the radio or what you've got on a memory key. Let me get the camera readjusted so you can see what I'm doing in the process I go through. Cheers! Right, so fitting Bluetooth, this is going to be quite simple. I'm going to take out my Bluetooth adapter and my 3.5mm adapter that comes with it as well. Fit that in the top, just like that. Nice sturdy click. I'm going to power on the adapter. Press the power button, and as you can see, I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, it will start to blink. Maybe shield around here so you can see. You see it's flashing between blue and red, that means it's in pairing mode. So I am just going to grab my mobile phone and get that paired. I use Android, so settings, Bluetooth, pair new device, Bluetooth music. I'll click pairing and pair. I'm going to disconnect from my headset and we are paired. So let's plug it into the car, turn the car on, and let's bring up some YouTube music, find something copyright free music. There we go. No copyright music from SoundCloud, that'll do. Quickly play. Right, it started playing, so let's just put it into mode quickly. Okay, so in this model of stereo I just need to hold down the mode button, so I struggled with that a little bit, but really I should have read the manual, but I didn't. So just going to start it playing. Just to prove that's coming out the Bluetooth adapter, I'm going to unplug it. And that's it done. Child's now got Bluetooth music in their car from my phone. So it's really simple to charge. It comes with a mini USB lead as well, so you can just charge it up, or even if you have the USB port on there, you can plug the lead in there and have it charging on the go as well. You can also, if you don't want it sticking up so much, with your car stereo you will have got a flexible 3.5mm lead you could use as well, but yeah, that's fine by me. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll drop a link to this down below as well from RiiRoo, and as always, if you're looking for a new ride-on car, check out RiiRoo, and for 5% off use the code STITCH76. Cheers all, bye. Did you know that I am able to make these great videos thanks to RiiRoo.com? They sell amazing kids child ride-on cars, and I'd recommend you check them out. There's a link in my description below, and if you are subscribed, there is an exclusive discount code available for you that will display as a post on my page, but it will only display for subscribers, so make sure you subscribe and check out RiiRoo.com using the link in the description down below.